OH, and on the other side we have a tropic acid with COOH. So the H from the alcoholic group and OH from the acid group will remove, and they will form an ester, which is tropene ester of tropic acid, which would be a atropine. So that's an idea of atropine. Now we are going to just cut it short, and we are going to elucidate the structure of tropic acid and the structure of tropene, and then we are going to combine these two to form atropine. Yeah, so that's how we are going to find the structure of atropine. Now we are going to talk about the structure elucidation of tropic acid. In order to elucidate the structure of tropic acid, we need to find its molecular formula, which is C9H10O3. Again, we found it by using qualitative and quantitative analysis. After that, we need to do a saturation test. If tropic acid doesn't add on bromine molecule, that means that the compound is actually saturated. It does mean that there is no carbon-carbon double bond, but it doesn't means that there is no double bond, because there could be a double bond, but with oxygen atom. So in saturation we consider carbon-carbon double bond, not carbon-oxygen double bond. So the carbon-oxygen double bond does not affect saturation at all. Saturation means that the compound contains no carbon-carbon double bond or triple bond. So it doesn't add bromine, which means the compound is saturated. One more thing, that we have 3 oxygen atoms, so we need to find whether the compound contains alcoholic group or carboxylic acid group or oxo group. So we are going to find out that it contains 1 carboxylic acid group and 1 primary alcoholic group. Now, in order to find the presence of carboxylic acid group, we are going to do a solubility test. So tropic acid is going to be dissolved in aqueous Na2CO3 or NH3, which would indicate the solubility of that indicates the presence of carboxylic acid group. And in order to find the presence of alcoholic group, we can detect it by qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis, by acetylation with acetic anhydride and acid chloride, or by benzoylation with benzoyl chloride. The next problem would be which alcoholic group is it? Is it phenolic OH or alcoholic OH? So in order to find that out, we are going to use dehydrating agent H2SO